Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's painting is an acrylic pour, transforming your paintings as I do, as you've noticed. So I've used a glue gun to prevent my paint from coming out of the borders that I'm trying to work on. This is a really helpful way of doing that. So if you've tried it, leave me a comment and let me know how it went for you. My recipe for this is in my previous videos, so I will link all that either up above or down below. Do check it out if you'd like to see how I've done this mixing. Also, I wanted to create something related to what we're all going through right now, so a head wrap and a matching mask, and a very simple and effective way to transform your pores. I think it turned out really well, and it's not finished yet, so I will be back with the end result because I still have to do the rest of the canvas. It's a large canvas. So let me know what you think of this one. Do leave me a comment, any advice, any tips, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay blessed as always. Bye for now.